it looks like on the inside. So that's going to be inside the cupboard. That's a breather. So this is our intake of water for the second tank, and just under the sink area. And there's the pipe that goes, Mark's going to just clip that up now, and that's a waste pipe here. Mark's fitted the sinks and the flick mixers. Underneath the sink we've got our filter and obviously our hot and cold water, and here we've set up the pump, and Mark set up a waste. We've been able to put our shower screen in today from the shower screen factory
in Epping.
In Epping, there you are. So we noticed
it was fantastic to deal with. Yeah,
and we noticed their shower screens in a few of the caravans that we had a look at for inspiration. So yeah, so it's got a nice little catch here, travel catch, and the magnet edges, and it's a... You want to go and test it out in there, lovey? See if we can see you.
You ready? There we go.
There we go. The other good feature that it has is this little channel here. So instead of having like a normal shower screen where you have the plastic flap, this one's got the channel, so we'll see how that works. Our bathroom. We've got our sink, and then also a shower head through there. And under the cupboard is the waste. Hot water goes down in there. And we've also got a little cubby hole here that Mark can access the shower hoses and also the heater head that we've got there too. So it's inside plumbing. We got our diesel heater, hot water heater, on for the first time. So it took a few attempts to get the fuel light pumped, light primed, and everything's working. Here are the pipes near the heater, water pipes going in and out, and we've got an outdoor shower here, and this is the opening here, and just have to add the shower hose, and that turns it on and off and the temperature, so that's quite handy. We wanted a small compact shower head for outside.